Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you find some things here you enjoy watching. I do diamond painting, reviews, unboxings, I do some crochet, some reading, book stuff, lots of fun stuff. So I hope you find some things you like and you return. And for everybody who is returning, welcome back. And I have some fun stuff to show you today. I've got one here that's got Dale's name all over it. Just wait till you see it. All right, so these are coming to us today from Diamond Art Decor. So let's start with these first of all. I thought these looked really pretty and I wanted to check them out. So there's some diamond painting pens. They're plastic, but look how pretty they are. Okay, it's blurring. Come on, look how pretty it is. Like swirly, super pretty. It's got a little cap on the end. Sure it does. How's the cap come off? I don't know. How does the cap come off? Does it twist? Maybe it twists. I don't know. I can't get the cap off. Which part of the cap comes off? Just the end here? I don't know. Okay, I can't get it. It's smarter than me, apparently. I don't know how it comes off there. I'm thinking this whole thing does, but I don't know. Let me try the other one. Let's see if the other one comes off. I got two different colors. These didn't cost very much. They were like, I don't know, a couple bucks. This one's pretty pink. They look like they have drills inside. I don't know if they do, but they kind of look like it. See what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. How do these come off? Okay, so the whole cap comes off. That one comes off. And there's your drill tip. Okay, now let's see if I can get the other one. I'm just going to have to reef on it. That's what I'm going to do. No. 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 It's stuck. Okay. A job for Dale, who's not here. Anyhow, he'll get it off for me. This one works just great. See, it just pulls off, snaps on, and snaps off, which is nice. Keeps everything clean and everything in there for you. But I'll have him play with it for me. Anyhow, there's those. Okay, this is super cute. All of the kits came with a drill tray like this. Wax, pen, little boat. This is cute. Look, pre-bag drills. Look how cute this is. Look how cute it is. Let me zoom you in. It's an ice cream truck. Ice cream truck, all this fun stuff up here. Ice cream cones and flowers. Flowers and ice cream. Why not? And we got the little gnome over here. He must be the driver. He's the ice cream man. I thought it was so cute, right? It's a 30 by 30 size, and it's got 8 rhinestones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 special drills. Wow, I would not have thought there was that many special drills on that, but I guess there are. Let's check it out and see what we get. I thought it was super cute. There were other trucks, by the way, besides this one. So, yeah. When I link them below, you'll get to see all the other trucks. Here's our colors. Light green. Oh, yellow with a red. Some pink. Purple. Blue. What color do you call that? I don't know. Light gold. Green. Purple. Pink. And that's like a really pale blue. Okay, there are not 8 here. There are not 8 special. Okay, no, I'm wrong. Looks like 3. Okay, never mind. I was like, 8 seemed too much. We have these green marquees. Oh, there's 4. Goodness gracious. What's this? Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Some gold balls and some little gold marquees. All right. I don't know why I thought there were 8. I don't have a clue. Just, it's one of those days. It's been a long filming day. Long filming days. Things go crazy. Things get weird. Okay, this one's super cute too. How do you like that? There were like 4 of these. I chose the one that I liked the best. Isn't she fancy? Fancy unicorn. I love the purple and the green and all of that. And like the dark gray of her body. I think she is so stinking cute. I love that. Again, like I said, there were 4 if I'm recalling correctly. There were 4 different styles, all similar, yet a little different. So you check them out and see which one you like the best. Unlike the one, the chickens, I'm not trying to get all of these. Oh boy. So we got a couple purples here. A beautiful teal. That's like a cobalt color, maybe more purple. A green, a pink, purpley pink. Oh, iridescent clear. Love the iridescent clears. They're my favorite. Blue pearls, red pearls, pink teardrops. Oh, yes, iridescent blue marquees. Those are gorgeous. Can you see all the colors in there? Now you get a lot of glare too, but look at the colors. They're so pretty. And then some green teardrops. Love it. Love, love, love it. I thought this one would be great for kids. The kids would love this one. Like my granddaughter should be all over it, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, I did not realize that the next 2 are larger. They are bigger paintings. And I love that. Look at him. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Has a little Highland cow in a bucket, in a barrel. Isn't it cute? Oh, I fell in love. This is a 40 by 40 size. I mean, I don't know what that's going to measure out in exact measurements because they're always a little bit shorter. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's make it nice and flat. About 35 by 35. He is so cute. Look at all the flowers. A Highland cow taking a bath in the barrel. It's so cute. I love all the flowers. Special drills in the flowers. Most of the flowers get some special drills. He's adorable. Just adorable. 8 different drills for this. There's not a lot of different drills, but I think he's just adorable. Wow. Who doesn't love a Highland cow, right? Okay, what do we get? We have got clear rhinestones, coral, blue, 2 greens. I think they're separate greens. Yep. These look to be the same color. Yep, 2 bags of that 5, that orange, and purple. And we get 2 different special drills, gold and green marquee. Okay, love this. It's so cute. I'm just into the farm animal diamond paintings lately, right? Give me the chickens, give me the cows, give me ducks, give me all the fun things. And that size is so cool. Love it. Okay, you ready for the next one? When I took this out of the bag, I took it out and I said, all right, Dale, this one's for you. This one's for you, buddy. It's all yours. And he's like, oh, goodness. Okay. I turned it around. I was like, pow. I said, we can decorate the chicken coop. Oh, let's put this one in the chicken coop. I thought it was so funny. Look how dapper they are. Look at this jacket on this one. Just dapper. Look at the hat. I mean, they all have their shades on. I'm like, that is too funny. This is a 50 by 40 size. I saw that and I fell in love with it. I was like, that is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. All right. It's got 11 different drills. And look, and then they all have fancy, fancy flowers on their heads. Oh, crack me up. I couldn't help it. Like I said, bring on the farm animals. I'm all about the farm animals. Okay, wow, there are a bunch of specials in this too. Okay, here's our rhinestone. We got 2 bags of orange. The same one, right? Yep. Then we get some pink, a green, and 2 bags of clear. Oh, I bet you all of this stuff is going to be clear rhinestone, like on their, yeah, okay. And then a gray. Now, here's the specials. I saw these and I was like, kapow, right? Kapow, kapow. I have never had those. Look at how big those are. Iridescent, pink, faceted teardrops. Wow. I don't think I've ever had these either. Look at those guys. Like the champagne color marquee. Man. Then we get some pearly teardrops in white. 2 bags of these green marquees, and those are big too. They're going down here. Guaranteed those are going down there. Then we get some pink snowflakes, super cute, and some iridescent faceted clear, super pretty. Those are super pretty. I was like, okay, all right, yep, we're decorating the chicken coop. So, like I said, we got our chickens, we got cows. I mean, what isn't there to love about this? I'll link these all below. And there was another big one with this. There's another one. There's 2 in the listing. I forget what the other one was, but it was all chickens for me. All chickens. What fun stuff, though. I mean, come on. I just love it. Love, love, love it so very much, right? All right. They'll be linked below. Go check them out. And again, thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for watching videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you come back and watch more. Check out all the other things. And there's always a video linked right at the end. And you may not have seen that one, so you might want to check it out. And then we'll see if Mr. Dipple, when he gets home, can get my cap off the blue pen. I just don't know why it won't come off. And if it breaks, it breaks. Oh, well. I can't get it. Have a pen. Anyhow, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.